Hi there. Welcome to the first episode in this series on dealing with foot problems. Today we're going to talk about when it is that you need to go see a podiatrist and how to go about finding that podiatrist. Now, if you've got problems with your foot, they can be annoying, they can be frustrating. We understand that. You might be having trouble with walking, you might be having some rubbing in your shoe if you like to hike or if you like to run, and these things can be discomforting. They can cause minor irritations all the way through to significant irritations and significant problems. Ordinarily, the first course of action for most people is to call their general practitioner, their general doctor, and go in for an office visit. And most doctors don't deal with specific problems related to the feet, so their first inclination may be to refer you out. Now, if you've got a serious problem and you're having trouble bearing weight, or you're feeling a significant sharp type of pain in your foot, you're probably better served going to an orthopedic surgeon right out of the gate, possibly with a referral from your general physician, but you're going to want to go with someone who specializes in dealing in surgeries in these kinds of situations to make sure that you're adequately protecting yourself. If the problem is less severe at the outset, then you probably will end up going to see a podiatrist. And then the question is, well, how do you find a good one? Unfortunately, there's no clear, real answer here. And the best advice that we can give is that you do your homework. Don't just take the word of a physician or a friend who's been to a podiatrist. You're going to have to do some research here and determine whether this podiatrist is qualified to see you and to treat the condition that you have. Honestly, you may not know, and you may not be able to determine ultimately if this podiatrist is going to be a good fit or has the requisite experience, but you got to look. You've got to take a chance and look online, read some reviews, see if you know any other people who have gone, who have actual opinions, who've had actual dealings with this podiatrist. Maybe you can even look up and see whether the podiatrist has been involved in any lawsuits. These are really the only things that you can do as a consumer to try to learn more about this podiatrist before you go and see him or her. Now, in the second part of this series, we're going to talk about the questions to ask when you go to that podiatrist for your initial consultation. That will be the important meeting. That will be the time when you make a determination as to whether you're going to let this person operate on your foot and put you at risk for significant problems down the line. So, tune in next time for questions to ask when you go to your first initial appointment. If you have questions before then, please feel free to give us a call. Our job is to help educate, empower, and guide individuals in New York malpractice and personal injury cases. So please, feel free to give us a call if you have questions, and thanks for watching.